The Birthday Bears is a card kit from our friends at Hunkydory, and they call it a concept card kit. And that's because it's going to make a certain style of cards. You'll be able to make 12 cards out of this kit. And let me go right down here, and we're going to get in close just so we can see each of these cards. You're going to see that they have a pull tab at the top, and they are movable. And Lene will be doing a webisode on these, so you'll see exactly how to put them together. But the instructions do come, you can see they're in text as well as photographs to walk you through this process. And it's the same process for every card, so that's really nice. Let me show you what's inside the kit. There are 66 foil die cuts, and you can see that this sheet has part of them, and not only those charming bears with foiling on them, but also greetings and multiple things on that sheet. Now, every sheet I'm showing you, you get 2 of them. So there's this sheet, and there is another bear sheet. So bears and birthdays and celebration is what this kit is all about. Really, really charming. Now you also get these sheets. Now these sheets include the card base, and that's already scored for you. So you pop it out and fold it. This is part of the mechanism, as is this. So you're going to get 2 in this design, 2 in this. You can see this also has some pennants on it. These pop out so easily, as you can see as I'm handling them. This one, you get 2 of this, 2 of this, and 2 of this, and 1 more to show you lots of dots. Now, what I'm showing you now are the inserts. There are 12 of these, 2 of each one. This goes inside your card, so you can have something that's going to be coordinated on the front and on the inside, so you can see how that fits. And these are also scored, ready to put in, so you're just going to glue those in place. 2 of that little guy, this one, this one, this one, and that one, and that. Now you also get envelopes, which is very, very handy, and there's also some ribbon in here, 40 inches of ribbon to also make that mechanism. So I think I've probably piqued your interest. I've certainly piqued mine. So just an absolutely fun kit. We get these from Hunkydory out of England, and just really happy to have them at paperwishes.com.